Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami butterfly. You can see I already made a couple of them right here, and that's what they should hopefully look like when we're finished. And you just need a piece of paper, it can be any color. And if you have origami paper, that's great, and if not, you can fold yours how I'm doing mine. Bottom right to the top, just about 2 inches down from the top left. We're just trying to make a square, so we have that to work with. And then you're just going to take any pair of normal scissors and you're going to cut across that line so we don't have that extra piece along the top there. So after we finish cutting, we're going to be left with our square piece and it's going to be folded into a triangle. So we're going to open it up and we're going to flip it 90 degrees and fold it the other way so it's in a triangle again. And then we open it up and we're going to fold it hot dog style, bottom to top. And then you open it up and flip it one more time, just 90 degrees. So that way we'll just have 4 triangles around for our butterfly. After we're done with that, we're going to open it up and we're just going to flip it around so that the top is on the bottom or facing towards the ground. Then we're going to take our right and our left side, and we're just going to put the middle crease inwards. So you're going to want it to like fold inwards towards itself. It took me a while to get this part. And then we do the same on the other side. And you'll know if you did this part right. If you flip it over and you look on the inside, it should look like this. So we should just have a regular looking triangle now, and we're just going to fold it in half. Make sure you make the creases very tight. And now we're going to hold it so that the open pieces are up towards the left side. Just take a normal pair of scissors and we're just going to round our butterfly's wings so they're not pointy and sharp. Again, the closed side of the paper should be facing your right hand as you're cutting it, or vice versa, facing your left if you're a lefty. And then we're going to open it up again. The point should be towards yourself, and we're just going to take the first 2 pieces and fold them inwards towards the center. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Great. And then we're just going to flip it back over, and we're going to take the piece, the pointy piece, and put it just a little over the top. We're folding it over and make that crease extra strong. And then the piece that's poking out on the top is just going to be folded over, almost like to keep the wings in place. And right where it's creased, we're just going to push in to make it more defined, to make it look more like a butterfly. And you can even make it flap its wings if you'd like. And that's all it takes. And you have your butterfly. Thank you.